Hello everyone. We've been working on making a facelift for the Restcomm client iOS sample application, the Messenger, and I'd like to show you what we've done. Okay, I will be using the simulator for this demo. Let's fire up the Messenger. Okay, so as you can see here, we have totally changed the first screen. We're now showing a list of contacts that you can call or send message to. We have added settings here and introduced a new section, the About section. Here you can see some information about the sample application, plus which version it is, basically which version of the iOS SDK it is based on, as well as the GitHub hash for the latest commit for the SDK. Okay, the zip settings are as they were for the most part, with the only exception being that we added support for registrarless access. So if you don't want to use a proxy, you can just empty this field and it will work in registrarless fashion. Okay, now in the main screen, the default action for a contact is to make a video call. So for example, right now that I have registered user Antonis from Olympus, if I press here, a call will be made to Antonis. Now Olympus is ringing. You can't hear it because I'm using headphones to avoid the feedback. Okay, let me answer it with video. Okay, so here's the video feed. We have also changed the call screen. You can now see where the call is going to. Also, the latest status of the SDK, which is that we have received remote video. It also shows the duration of the call. Also here, we have a mute button for audio as well as video. Okay, here this is just a blank screen because I'm using the simulator that doesn't have a front-facing camera. Okay, so let me hang up. Now, if you would prefer to make, for example, an audio call, you would have to go to the information button to get more details about this contact. And here you can make either audio call, you can send a message, or of course you can also make a video call. Let's try a message here. Okay. Send a small message. Right. Just got it in Olympus. Let me answer back. Okay. So these are the messages. Here, if you want, you can alter the contact. For example, if you can change the CPURI if you want it to point somewhere else. I'll just cancel out. Also here you can add a new contact by pressing the usual Apple plus sign. For example, let me add a new contact here. Let's say John, and the CPURI for John is zip John at Telestax.com. Here's John. As usual, you can remove if you want some of the entries, and that's it, guys. Okay, cheers.